The key strength of Amadeus Capital Partners is that we know how to invest in high technology companies. This requires a deep sector knowledge and also an affinity with dealing with very innovative, very raw technologies at times. Probably the most successful company we have in Cambridge in terms of taking up a 90% market share in mobile phones is ARM. ARM provides the microprocessor, the heart of mobile phones. Like Intel has a very high market share in PCs, ARM has an even higher market share in microprocessors in mobile phones. I see mobile technology as the fifth wave of computing after mainframes, mini computers, workstations and PCs. And like with all the waves before, the new wave is a wave that is very much larger than the previous wave. So we produce over 1 billion mobile phones in the world at the moment, but there are only about 300 million PCs being produced. So as happened before, my expectation is that the mobile phone architecture based on ARM and the CSR chips will eventually usurp the PC industry and overtake the PC industry. The UK is a very, very innovative society. That's why a third of the entire venture capital in Europe is concentrated on the UK. In Cambridge in particular, we have arguably the most successful high-tech cluster in Europe, with over 1,000 companies employing 40,000 people. Over half of our portfolio companies have very strong links with China. I think the relationship between Britain and China is a very natural one because Britain is very innovative. China has the manufacturing capability to manufacture fast, at low cost to high standards, and Britain has the ability to come up with innovative products, new processes. So there is a natural relationship between these two countries. It's probably a more natural country pair than any other that I can think of. I expect China to continue on a very rapid growth path, and as we've seen just over the last 2 years, a very fast-growing internal market. So China's economy, of course, was grew mainly on the back of exports. But more recently, there's been a very dramatic increase in the domestic consumption as well, which opens up a fantastic opportunity for Western goods as well. The greatest opportunity in China is both the internal Chinese market, which has been growing incredibly rapidly, and the ability to work with China in partnership to create new products and services for the world. The UK might be providing the innovation, and China provides the manufacturing expertise and the volume production expertise to fulfill global markets.